You've heard the phrase fake news, right? So why is it that fake news often will draw more attention from us than real news? Well, there have actually been studies that have done to show that lies spread faster than the truth. And we might be even thinking, well, what is it about us intrinsically that then spreads something that is a lie faster than it would spread a truth? And there's a paper from MIT's Media Lab. And in their research, they found that it took the truth about 6 times as long as a falsehood to reach 1,500 people. So when we think of this from an emotional intelligence context, we're going to notice that there are a few skills at play here. But at the root of all of it, of why the fake news gets our attention more than the real news, is because the fake news appeals to what's known as our baser instincts, our survival, our autopilot, fear-based reactions, not logical, not rational, not intellectual responses. These things are triggered by fake news. And so how does emotional intelligence help? Well, the first skill in emotional intelligence that helps is our impulse control. It's our ability to avoid the autopilot fear-based responses. It's our ability to avoid getting on the emotion and riding it with not logical, not rational, fear-based responses. The second skill is our emotional self-awareness. So once we're able to pause, it's our ability to get to the root cause of what is the emotion or emotions at the base of our response, because we want to challenge those. And we challenge those with a third skill in emotional intelligence called reality testing, our ability to be objective, not subjective, objective, what's really going on. And this means we often have to challenge our thinking, challenge other people's thinking, and do some more research. We have to diversify our cognition. So when we think about applications in life, when we want to stop spreading toxicity, whether it's in fake news or it's in our workplace culture, we need a foundation of emotional intelligence skills in order to be able to do that. Without it, what ends up happening is we ride the emotional wave, and that leads us to that toxic behavior.